Hi, in this video I will show you top 10 DeFi swap exchange. Uniswap. Uniswap is the most popular and widely used DeFi swap exchange. It uses an automated market maker model to facilitate trades. Uniswap, which was launched in 2021, introduced several new features, including concentrated liquidity, multiple fee tiers, and capital efficiency. Uniswap has a user-friendly interface and supports a wide range of ERC-20 tokens, making it one of the most versatile and accessible DeFi swap exchange scripts available. SushiSwap. SushiSwap is a fork of Uniswap that offers additional features like yield farming and staking. It has gained popularity among DeFi users due to its high yields and unique features like BentoBox. BentoBox allows users to bundle their assets into a single token, making it easier to manage their DeFi investments. PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap is a Binance Smart Chain-based decentralized exchange that has gained a lot of traction in recent times due to its low transaction fees and fast processing times. It offers features like yield farming, staking, and liquidity provision. PancakeSwap has a user-friendly interface and supports a wide range of BEP20 tokens. For a detailed video on how to trade at PancakeSwap, see the tooltip in the upper right corner. QuickSwap. QuickSwap is a Polygon-based decentralized exchange that offers fast transaction processing times and low fees. It has gained popularity among DeFi users due to its high yields and user-friendly interface. QuickSwap supports a wide range of ERC-20 tokens and has a built-in liquidity provision mechanism. Curve. Curve is a DeFi swap exchange that focuses on stablecoins. It uses an automated market maker model to facilitate trades between stablecoins with low slippage and fees. It also offers features like yield farming and staking. Curve has gained popularity among DeFi users due to its high yields and low transaction fee. Balancer. Balancer is a DeFi swap exchange that uses a customizable automated market maker model to facilitate trades between different tokens. It offers features like liquidity provision, yield farming, and staking. Balancer allows users to create their own customized pools and set their own trading fees. Bancor. Bancor is a DeFi swap exchange that uses a unique automated market maker model called a liquidity network to facilitate trades. Bancor allows users to create their own liquidity pools and set their own prices. It also offers features like yield farming and staking. 1inch. 1inch is a DeFi aggregator that allows users to find the best prices across multiple decentralized exchanges. It uses an automated market maker model to facilitate trades and offers features like liquidity provision, yield farming, and staking. 1inch has gained popularity among DeFi users due to its ability to find the best prices across multiple decentralized exchanges, making it a cost-effective option for users. Kyber Network. Kyber Network is a DeFi swap exchange that uses an on-chain liquidity protocol to facilitate trades between different tokens. It also offers features like yield farming and staking. Kyber Network has gained popularity among DeFi users due to its fast transaction processing times and low fees. Dodo. Dodo is a DeFi swap exchange that uses a proactive market maker model to facilitate trades. It offers features like liquidity provision, yield farming, and staking. Dodo has gained popularity among DeFi users due to its fast transaction processing times and low fees. Thanks for watching. Like this video and subscribe to my channel.